Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we're going to demonstrate how to diagnose a ABS fault in a Porsche Cayenne. We're going to be using the FOXWELL NT520 Pro kit. The FOXWELL NT520 Pro kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So we have this tool plugged into the diagnostic port of the vehicle, and we're going to go through the options on screen here to select our vehicle and find out what the problem is with the ABS system. We suspect it's going to be an ABS sensor because the faults that we're getting on screen here are typical of a faulty ABS sensor. So what we'll do is, instead of me talking, we'll just go through it and we'll see what information we can collect. Select our vehicle first of all. We are hoping that it is an ABS sensor actually, because if it's something like an ABS pump or an ABS module, then that can get quite expensive. So we've got PSM here, which is Porsche Stability Management. That's their way of saying ABS. And we've got an option to read codes. So we've got two fault codes. First one is 011B88. I'm not sure how well you can see that. It's front left RPM sensor, signal implausible. And the second one, probably easier if you see it this way, 011B0C, front left speed sensor, electrical fault. So we'll just scroll down, allows you to see the top one there. But basically they're both pointing us in the direction of the front left ABS sensor or speed sensor. And that's a good thing, because an ABS sensor is only about £30 to replace. So once the new ABS sensor is in there, then it's really easy to just come back, use this tool, click on to erase codes. Once we've erased the codes, it'll get rid of the fault codes on here, and it'll get rid of all of the warning lights on the dashboard as well. So it's quite a good outcome. Obviously, you know, getting a fault in your car is part and parcel of owning a car, unfortunately. But if you can get away with, you know, having lesser faults like an ABS sensor, then it makes the job a lot easier, and a lot easier on your wallet as well. But the NT520 kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and as I say, I'll put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks very much for watching this car tech video, and I hope it helps, and I'll see you next time.